upon the crimson tide of morn, where light and shadow both are born. A mariner drifts his vessel frail, a phantom carved of timber pale. The sun, a molten shrouded eye, peers faintly through the blood-red sky, and whispers through the misted air of dreams undone, of dark despair. The sea, a beast with restless breath, churns neath the veil of life and death. Its waves like claws, both sharp and deep, the cradle vast where terrors sleep. Yet see, the light through faintly shone reflects upon the waters brown, a golden thread in crimson dyed, a fleeting hope against the tide. A blackened mast cuts through the haze, a ghostly sight of bygone days. Its shadow stretches long and lean, a spectre of what once has been. The mariner with hands of bone clings fast to wood, his world unknown. Is he alive or but a shade, a soul adrift by fate betrayed? The sun half failed, its rays diffuse through mists that rise like heaven's ruse. A glowing orb, both dim and bright, a beacon lost in endless light. The waves ablaze, a fiery red, mark where the living meet the dead. The horizon burns, a fleeting line, where mortal and divine entwine. The mariner's gaze, so hollow still, seeks land beyond the ocean's will. Yet all he finds is a shifting glow, reflections in the depths below. The golden glint of heaven's flame, upon the waves it writes no name. A mirror vast, it bends and breaks, and fades as every shadow wakes. The winds they sigh with mournful song, and carry spectres all along. each whisper lost in briny air, a fleeting truth beyond repair. The boat, it creaks, its planks complain of battles waged in time and rain. Each timber holds a tale unspoken, a legacy of lives now broken. Above the sun weeps hazy tears for all the lost and lonely years. And yet it burns through mist and strife, a fragile lamp that guards all life. O mortal heart, the scene behold, the battle fought twixt dusk and gold. For even in the storm's embrace, a glint of life defies its place. And so the mariner sails on beneath a sky where night meets dawn. His shadow cast on waters wide, forever bound to the shifting tide. For this fleeting, fragile frame, the heavens and earth proclaim. In every tempest, brief and bright, still lives the spark of eternal light.